Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to do the unboxing of my happy mail for the month of July from the Stamps of Life. I get this monthly subscription every month, and so I think I have a playlist. I will put it here if you've not had a chance to see any of them. But I'm just going to take everything out and then we'll go over it. So there it is. So every month we get 2 spools of ribbon. This is like a felt type of ribbon. This purple one there, sorry it was blurry. And then this gingham ribbon here. Then we also got some enamel dots. Let me take them out of the package so we can avoid the glare. So there's the enamel dots. And all of the stuff coordinate together. Here's some chipboard pieces. This is a great summer and beach theme. So there it is. Beach, sunwear, the sunglasses, the palm trees. We have some vinyl stickers from a past kit that we've received, and then some sunglass ones too. And we got some of these vinyl puffy stickers here. Still in the coordinating colors. They're like sand dollars. Starfish. So cute. There's the spools of ribbon. Every month we also get this envelope to keep all of our scraps and kit contained in one useful place. It is a card kit, so we do get some A2 size envelopes, as well as 8.5 by 11 cardstock. That is always coordinating with the rest of the kit. So this is very much a different color palette, not the bright color palette I'm used to seeing. Not that I don't like this. It's nice, and you can work with all the colors, so it doesn't even matter. But yeah, so this is the 8.5 by 11 cardstock you get. So let's put that there. And then we always get inspiration cards with every kit. You can find more inspiration on the website at stampsoflife.com. We also get a sentiment stamp that's included. And this one says, "Oh, happy day." Let's keep it back in here. "Oh, happy day to my friend," and it has this star and the shell. We also get some die cuts as well, and this ones are a star and a shell. So I have a feeling that they cut out this star and this shell from the stamp set. There is the die itself as well as the shadow piece. So you got 4 dies here. We also got a sentiment die. And this one says Summer Lovin'. Summer Lovin'. Yeah, never mind. But you know which song I'm getting at. Yeah, so Summer Lovin'. Love it. And then we also get a paper pad, double-sided paper, very sturdy, 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets, but this is a sampling of the papers that are included, and I'll flip through it really quickly. And if you've seen my Die Hard Club Kit unboxing, you will notice. If you didn't see it, I'll leave the link to the video here. But you will notice that we received a die to cut out the sandcastle, the pail, the scooper. That's all I can remember. But yeah, so there's the pattern paper one more time. And so this is my July unboxing. These are all of the stuff that comes in the kit. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.